Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zumba and I'm here to walk you through on how to use the ClipRRect widget. I'm going to be starting a series on how to use all flutter widgets, and we are literally starting with ClipRRect as the most minimal widget. So we are going to move from the most minimal widget to the most maximum or difficult widget, and I guarantee that by the end of the series you should be able to use them in any of your Flutter projects. And this is my blank scaffold. I'm going to insert a body. Okay. Inside the body, I'm going to add a container. So you'll be able to see what we're doing. I'll add a container. I'll give it a height of 200. And give it a width of same thing 200. It's currently not visible, so we'll have to give it a color. Let's see, we'll give it a color. 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 Let's give it green. Green. So now supposed to load now. Okay, load. You can see there is no in the screen, so we'll have to center the widget. We should center it happy with the center widget. Okay, now I think it's supposed to be in the center. Let's perform what we have now. It's loading. You can see the edges are too sharp. Too sharp, but with the power of ClipRRect, we are going to make it more sharp because this can cut my finger actually. So we are going to wrap the container widget. Wrap with the widget. We are going to wrap it with the ClipRRect widget. And you can see a widget that clips its charge using a rounded rectangle. By default uses one blah 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 sha. Tap it. We give it a border radius. Okay, now load. We give it a border radius. Border radius. Okay. Let's give it a border radius of 10, or let's say 12. Circular. 10 or 12. Let's give it 10. Okay. Now if you save now, so you see that it's no more. It's not sharp anymore. And that's how to use a ClipRRect widget. Very simple. No other addition or subtraction. Watch out for my next tutorial. Might be